I'm going to show you how to make an express Chinese hot pot with a good broth, shrimps, fish, meat and vegetables. Start by making the broth. Cut 20 grams of ginger into slices. 1 onion in half. In a large pot, put 1 kilogram of beef biscuits, the onion, the ginger, 5 star anise, 1 tablespoon of salt, 8 centiliters of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 5 liters of water. Bring to a boil. Put a lid. After 20 minutes, the foam appears. Remove it. Turn to low heat. Let simmer for 2 hours with the lid. You can make this broth the day before. Soak 100 grams of glass noodles. Cut 500 grams of beef tenderloin into thin slices. It is still frozen, which makes it easier to cut. Always cut perpendicularly to the fibers. Cut 300 grams of fish fillet into thick slices. They'll shrink when cooked. 200 grams of fish balls in half. Peel 400 grams of shrimp. Cut along the back and remove the intestine and vein if necessary. Cut 250 grams of tofu into cubes. Put the ingredients in a large plate to get an appetizing presentation. Prepare the vegetables. 300 grams of Napa cabbage, 300 grams of bok choy, 300 grams of choy sam. Wash them. Cut them into chunks. Peel the stems of choy sam. Cut them into chunks. Drain the glass noodles. Cut them in half. We also love some instant noodles. Here is the satay powder. It is tasty and not hot at all. It will season the broth. It is made with roasted peanuts, dried sweet peppers, garlic, and aromatics. Everything is ready. Now we can set the table. Add the boiling broth in the 2 compartments of the pot. Add 50 grams of satay powder in one of them. Cover and let heat up. Each guest prepares her own sauce. I like Laucanma chili paste. This one is made from fermented black soybeans and chili. Others prefer hoisin barbecue sauce or a combination of satay powder with light soy sauce and black rice vinegar. My daughter likes combining a little light soy sauce with sesame oil. The broth begins to simmer. Each guest puts ingredients in. Everyone takes some broth several times and cooks the shrimp, fish, and beef in small scoops. The broth gets more and more flavors as ingredients are cooked in it. It is very nice to be able to change from the satay broth to the clear broth. Share with family and friends this easy hot pot. Bon appétit! Thank you. See you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.